Hey there! If you're like me, you want to eat healthy but don't always have the time to cook elaborate meals every day. So, let's talk about easy and nutritious meal prep ideas that'll keep you fueled and feeling great all week long. First up, breakfast. Overnight oats are a game changer. Just take a mason jar, add half a cup of rolled oats, a cup of almond milk, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and your favorite fruits. Let it sit in the fridge overnight and boom! You've got a delicious, ready-to-eat breakfast waiting for you in the morning. You can make several jars at once, and they'll stay fresh for up to 5 days. Moving on to lunch. One of my go-to recipes is a quinoa and veggie bowl. Quinoa is packed with protein and super easy to cook. Just boil 1 part quinoa to 2 parts water, let it simmer for about 15 minutes, and you're good to go. I like to pair it with roasted veggies like bell peppers, broccoli, and sweet potatoes. Drizzle a little olive oil, sprinkle some salt and pepper, and roast them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20-25 minutes. Toss everything together in a big container and you've got a healthy, filling lunch for the week. For snacks, energy balls are a fantastic option. They're super easy to make and perfect for a quick pick-me-up. Mix together a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of peanut butter, a quarter cup of honey, and a handful of dark chocolate chips. Roll them into small balls and store them in the fridge. They're packed with protein and just the right amount of sweetness to keep cravings at bay. Dinner doesn't have to be complicated either. Sheet pan meals are a lifesaver. My favorite is lemon garlic chicken with veggies. Just marinate some chicken breasts in lemon juice, garlic, olive oil, and your favorite herbs. Spread them out on a sheet pan with some chopped veggies like zucchini, carrots, and cherry tomatoes. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25-30 minutes, and you've got a delicious, balanced meal with minimal cleanup. Lastly, don't forget about hydration. Make a big pitcher of infused water to keep in the fridge. My go-to combo is cucumber, mint, and lemon. Just slice everything up, add it to the water, and let it sit for a couple of hours. It's refreshing and makes drinking water a little more exciting. So, there you have it. Easy, nutritious meal prep ideas that'll keep you on track even on your busiest days. Give these recipes a try and let me know how they work for you. Remember, staying healthy doesn't have to be complicated. See you next time.